Hey YouTube, so after Windrock I got a ton of mud on my Jeep, and recently I got myself a little electric pressure washer. What I wanted to do today is test out this Tough Mudder soap that Chemical Guys makes and see how it does against this tough clay and mud from Windrock Park. So let's see how this does. So after using this, I would say it does a really good job. Spraying it on there beforehand, it kind of really helps, I guess, dig into the mud there, so that when you actually start spraying it down with water, all the mud just kind of like comes off like water, right? Whereas if you would just be using water by itself without applying the soap first, all that mud and clay and stuff would just kind of have to like clump off, and it would take a lot more pressure washing. So right here I'm using the 40-degree angle pressure washer bit, and this one does all right, but it doesn't kind of put out enough power, so I do switch to a different tip and it works a lot better. But you can see how like it kind of makes that mud come off as like liquid, so it just kind of rinses off, and you can kind of see where I didn't do a good enough job getting that soap covered in some of that stuff. Next time though, I did like 1 part soap and 3 parts water in that foam sprayer, and next time I'm probably just gonna do like all soap, or like 1 part soap, 1 part water, just so it's a higher concentration. But the stuff works great. I'm really happy with it. Well, it doesn't remove scratches, but I'd say it works pretty damn well.